Have you ever wondered if there's an enchanting number of push-ups that will help you sculpt muscle and redefine your body, particularly after crossing the threshold of 40? Stay with us until the end, for we will furnish a push-up regimen tailored to help you build muscle, whether you're a beginner, intermediate, or an expert. Foremost, it's pivotal to comprehend that engaging in resistance exercises for the identical muscle groups daily, such as push-ups, is suboptimal. When you engage in activities like push-ups, squats, or pull-ups, you induce minute tears in your muscle fibers. Now envisage not allowing these muscles sufficient time to recuperate. Over an extended period, these micro tears can amass, leading to overtraining or even injuries. Post-workout, during rest or slumber, your body metamorphoses into a repair virtuoso. It not only mends those tears, but also propels your muscles to new heights. In the fitness lexicon, this phenomenon is referred to as muscular hypertrophy. Let us dispel a myth and delve into the science of muscle augmentation, all thanks to the unassuming push-up. Initially, let's elucidate what muscular hypertrophy entails. It does not imply the emergence of new muscle fibers. Instead, envisage your extant muscle fibers embarking on a regimen, becoming more robust and expansive. They thicken and occupy more space. Now, how does this transformation transpire? When you master the push-up, you compel your muscles to exert themselves strenuously. They contract dynamically, resist your body weight, and endure tension. These movements, known as concentric and eccentric contractions, provide an exceptional workout for your triceps, deltoids, and pectorals. Your muscles must not only move, but also resist gravity. This culminates in those minute micro tears we mentioned earlier. But here's the thrilling part. Your body detects these micro tears and initiates a superhero-like response. It amplifies hormone production and allocates additional resources to these beleaguered muscles. What can the eventual outcome be? Your muscle fibers repair themselves and re-emerge more substantial and robust. Now let's address the fallacy that performing push-ups daily equates to guaranteed gains. Not quite. The true muscle-building process unfolds during rest periods. Post-workout, your body enhances hormone production and kicks off the process of muscular protein synthesis. It's akin to having an internal repair and enhancement team. But here's the caveat. If you engage in push-ups every single day, you keep that team perpetually occupied with repairs, not enhancements. Instead of allowing your muscles to grow, you continually inflict damage. Simply put, more isn't always better. If you aspire for your muscles to grow, grant them some downtime, allow them to heal, and witness the transformation. Now, the burning question, how many push-ups should you perform to see gains? The answer fluctuates based on your fitness level. Your push-up strategy should correspond with your current fitness journey. And remember, performing push-ups daily is counterproductive. Let's eschew that path. For novices who are new to the push-up scene, here's the game plan. Push yourself close to your limit, but not quite. For instance, if your maximum is 10 push-ups, aim for a solid 9 in each set. Let's term it the one less than your max rule. Aim for 3 to 4 sets of 6 to 10 push-ups to commence. And if 10 push-ups seem daunting presently, no worries. Opt for knee push-ups or another beginner-friendly variant. It's about progression, not perfection. Remember, it's not about how you start. It's about the journey and your destination. For seasoned veterans who have been in the game longer, navigating the push-up world as an intermediate or advanced exerciser is akin to venturing into deeper waters. Your body has likely accrued a substantial amount of muscle, and now it's time to challenge it further. You might find your optimal range in 3 to 4 sets of 15 to 25 push-ups. But on days when you're feeling exceptionally motivated, consider incorporating an AMRAP, as many reps as possible, set. Think of it as a surprise party for your muscles to keep them guessing and growing. And for the push-up virtuosos, if standard push-ups feel too facile, it's time to elevate the challenge. Replace the basics with more arduous variations like weighted push-ups or even clapping push-ups. Transform your workout into a performance. Now let's structure a push-up program to build muscle. The key is finding the right equilibrium of volume and sets. Aim for high-volume sets that challenge you but don't push you over the brink. Think of your maximum push-ups, then reduce it by 2 to 3 reps. And for sets, keep it under 5 to 6 to show some love to your joints, your loyal sidekicks in this fitness odyssey. Remember, push-ups shouldn't monopolize your workout routine. Depending on your fitness level and goals, push-ups can be either your rockstar compound exercise or the supporting act to main exercises like the bench press. Always initiate your workout with high-energy compound exercises and follow up with isolation exercises. As for recovery time, muscles may necessitate up to 48 hours to fully recover from an intense workout. So, structure your push-up days with buffer days in between. For instance, you might work on push-ups on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays with rest days on Tuesdays, Thursdays, and the weekend. Now let's discuss nutrition. Just like an epic meal requires the right ingredients, your muscle-building journey relies on the right diet. Without adequate protein and a slight calorie surplus, your efforts might not yield the desired results. Aim for about 1 to 2 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight, and a calorie surplus of 250 to 500 calories. It's not just about training hard, it's also about fueling smartly. Lastly, let's address some frequently asked questions. Number 1, the daily push-up dilemma. If you're performing push-ups every day with proper rest in between, you can build muscle. However, doing them without rest may impede muscle growth. Recovery is essential. Question number 2, can push-ups augment your chest? And the answer is yes, push-ups can help build your pectoralis major. Pair them with the right diet and program. Question number 3, when is the optimal time to do push-ups? The ideal time varies based on your body's rhythm. Some prefer mornings while others opt for evenings. It's about discovering what works best for you. Also, consider performing push-ups 1 to 2 hours after consuming a carbohydrate-rich meal for optimal performance. That's all for today. Drop a comment below sharing your current push-up record and where you aim to be in a month with our epic routine. If you've gained any insights from this information, hit that like button to show your support, and please take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Your support is a strong motivator for us to continue moving forward. Also, if you want to know what the only 8 exercises men over 40 needs for muscle growth is, then click on the video showing at your screen.